guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm Penny. You're welcome. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to tie-dye your clothes. So I have an old t-shirt that I'm gonna try to tie-dye, and then I also have black sweatpants, and the last one is the yellow jersey. So this is actually my first time, so I'm so nervous. I actually don't know how it's gonna turn out. I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube and TikTok, and I saw how people folded and did everything, like of the whole process, and I decided to do this because I saw like trending videos and also a lot of tie-dye clothes on online shops, and they're a bit pricey. So if you don't want to spend some money, you can just do it yourself, and I'll show you today. I think anyone can do it. I don't think it's so difficult, so I'm just gonna start. So what you actually need is gloves, because we're gonna work with bleach, so you also need bleach, and this is the bleach that I'm gonna use. And the last thing that you need is the rubber bands. So I started with the yellow jersey, and I just started with twisting it from the center and then the sleeves, and this is very easy. So after that, I used the rubber bands, and for this jersey I used a lot of rubber bands because I wanted it to be tight. And then the second one, we have the black t-shirt, and for this one I just started with crumbling the sleeves and then the rest of the t-shirt, and after that I tied it with the rubber bands. And then the next one is the black pants, and for this one I started with the legs, and this one was very easy. So after that I wore my gloves, and I also took my bleach, and then I just started spraying it on the clothes. I also flipped them just to make sure that I put the bleach on both sides. And you can see the black t-shirt was instantly changing the color because this is cotton. So I also sprayed on the sides of both the jersey and the pants. So after I was done spraying the bleach, I left this clothes for like 7 hours. So this is how the yellow jersey looks like. You can see the bleach here and on the sleeves, but we don't really have so much bleach here, so I'm just gonna wash it and see. So here is the t-shirt, and this is how it looks like. And I don't know how I folded it to have these things. They don't even have a shape, but I think I like it, so I'm just gonna wash it and see. So this is how the pants look like, and You can see the colors are different, the pants and the t-shirt. I was actually planning on wearing the pants with a t-shirt, but now since the colors are different, I can't do that. But I love the pants, but they were not looking nice when they were still folded. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and let me know down in the comments if you're gonna try this. Like this video and see you in my next video.